In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a really good intro for nothing. Before we start, it would be great if you could go and support my Twitch and use my creator code in the item shop. Now we can start the video.
Every time.
Hi guys, and welcome back. Recently, I've been on Instagram making intros to other people. Now, I thought I would come on here and show you how to do it just by a tutorial. What you want to do is you want to load up Google Chrome or any software that you use to on the internet. You want to go on a website called Panzoid. Panzoid is a free website for GFX and VFX, which gives them us for free. When it's loaded, you'll see a website like this. As you can already see, there are some amazing intros. We want to be able to search for our own. So we go down to the bottom and we want to click on More Creations. Now we can search our own targeted areas. Here you can also pick 2D or 3D intros, whichever one you might find interesting. I want to pick this intro, so I will click on it and click on Open in Clip Maker. Once you have picked your intro, you'll be brought to this screen. Here at the bottom is your control panel to view the intro. This button plays the intro. This button views the intro in what it will be like when you export it. This button mutes, fast forward, and audio format. Now I've showed you what the control panel does, I'll show you how to change the text. You want to go over to this isometric cube and locate your text. My text is already at the top, so all you have to do is click on it and change it to whatever your name is. So I'll change mine to Shuri. Now that you've changed your text, we can go over and export the video, which is this button down here. You want to keep the settings the same and just click Start Video Render. We'll wait for that to finish. It shouldn't take that long. Now that it's rendered, you'll see two buttons, download your video and return to editing. You want to click the download your video button. But before you click off, we are not done here, because you need to convert the video entirely to an MP4 format so you can use it for YouTube videos. Now that it's downloaded, you can see at the bottom, you want to go and show that in folder. Once you can see that it's been saved in your area, you want to open up a website that is called fileconversion.com, as you can see on the top of my screen. We want to go down and select a file. We want to select the file that we have just created. Once you've selected the file, we want to go down onto change the quality to high, MP4 format, keep the size the same, and then click convert. Now we've got to wait for that to convert, and it'll just do its job. Now we can see that the video is being converted to an MP4. So you want to click on the orange little button there, and it'll bring you to this screen here where you can view your intro. But all you want to do is you want to click onto these three little buttons down here. You want to click onto these three little buttons down here, click download, and that'll start downloading it in the MP4. Now you can literally put that right into YouTube. If this video helped you in any way, please drop a like and maybe even a sub. Thanks for watching.